Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to design the fixed jaw. This is going to be a quick video because it's almost the same thing with the sliding jaw that we designed in the previous video. So let's see how we're going to make it. The first thing to do, the first step, is always to save your part. Make sure this is saved. Save all. Training, vice body, assembly, vice body, assembly. Okay. Save externally. Go to the file where you save it and rename it to sliding jaw. Sliding jaw. Okay. Close the assembly. Try again. Right. Press the R button like roundabout and select vice body assembly. Browse for file. So what really happened here, because we changed the name of the sliding jaw, the assembly environment lost the reference of the part 3, and now we're gonna tell them, we're gonna say to Solidworks, listen, the part 3 is no more the part 3, is a sliding jaw. So select the sliding jaw and select open. Go back to the file, select sliding jaw, copy, paste, and right here, fixed jaw. Delete the copy. Okay, enter. We open the fixed jaw. And the only thing that we're gonna do here is to go here, select sketch, edit sketch, select this dimension, press delete, select this point, hold Control key at the keyboard, and select this point here. Make them coincident. Ignore error. Then the next thing that I have to do is to go to the sketch, edit sketch, click on this coincident icon, delete it, and delete it. Select this point, hold Control key on the keyboard, select this line, and make them coincident. Select this center line, select vertical, do the same thing here. Okay, exit sketch. That's it. Click save. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. The next tutorial, we're gonna have a look of how to design this upper jaw. Thanks for watching. See you next time.